Hi guys, just got 2 cash bolts to do and a hidden treasure today. See if we have any luck. I did a video of these the other day. Not so much luck on that one, but I did have a bit of luck on that one, which was good. Not quite profit, but not a complete loss either. I think we should start with cash bolts first. Should we do the cash bolts first? Right. And this is 32 and 31. So let's do 31 first. And let's see if I can my luck can change. Put my lamp on it. Right. There we go. We've got grape and fingers. Is it grapes? Yeah, grapes and fingers. So there's fingers. Fingers anymore, and there's grapes. I don't know if there's anything else. Then we got star and stack of coins. So star is up there. And then stack of coins are there. So you can't actually win anything, can you, if you get that way? I don't think you can win. Alright, nothing else on that one. Cactus and a 7. I think you get a rough idea actually if you're going to win straight away, because I only need a heart on that one. Nice, I haven't actually won on these yet. So apple and a bulb. So there's the apple. The bulb is that one. So I'm not going to get that because otherwise that'd be 2 wins. Got a bulb down there. I think that's it for that one. So if we get a heart, another one twice, that'd be nice, but can't see it at the moment. Gold bar and a lemon. Got lemon there. And we've got bars. Don't particularly have much luck actually on the old £3 ones, so I'm not counting my chickens at the moment. And we've got chest. Oh, I'm getting loads of ones. We've got a heart there. We need a pound sign there. Need that there. We're not going to get any of it. Probably not. Tash and rainbow. I like to do the old wind up ones for me. Nothing up top. Glitter ball there. And cloud there. Nothing else. I had a feeling I was going to do this, not give me a win, but you can't have it all, can you? VIP there. And a bolt. Bolt there. Bolt there. So there's no win on that one, because literally we just needed wood there. Definitely don't have that. Pound sign. Definitely don't have that. Safe. Definitely don't have that. Moon. Definitely don't have that. Heart. Nope. Again, heart. Crown. Nope. Oh, what a shame that. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. And the first one, no go. Oops, shit. Right, actually, we'll keep that on there. Some scratch on top of the microwave. That's actually one of the bits to go in now, do we? Right, we'll do the other cash bolt. Now I'm going to do the hidden treasures. I got, oh, look, see? Moon. Straight away. Exactly what I needed on the last one. So we've got moon. Moon and a bulb. Nothing on the top. Diamond. There. And deck of coins. I mean, if I don't win nothing, I think I might give these one more go. When I get my next bunch of scratch cards for my next video, but I think I might give it, not get these anymore, because I'm certainly not having no luck on them. Might as well. Oh, look, doing it to me again. Look, cactus and sunglasses. Twice now. Sunglasses, no. So I need a bulb and a tash there. You already know what's coming. Nothing. Apple and a wood. Nothing up there. Gold bar and a 7. Oh, so I need a save now. So again, I think it's safe to say it's just going to do what it did last time. Chest and a star. I mean, I want to try these ones because they look good, but so obviously I'm not going to win on it because knew that was going to happen. Crown and national singers. So we obviously need the heart there. Gem there and a cloud. So again, we needed a VIP and definitely don't have that. No. We needed, oh god, we had a VIP with a 1 and 2 there. We need a bulb and definitely don't have that. Needed a safe. Definitely don't have that. So no good on the cash bolts. To be honest, I didn't really expect to have any luck on the old cash bolts, so see if anything happens on here. To be honest, I'm not holding out much hope because it's very rare that I have any luck on these. G2, G5, D2, F1, F2, be nice if we can get E5. Maybe I should have got 2 of these probably. A7, C4, G7, looking less likely, I think, to say. Safe to see. A3, F6, needed E4 is what we need. Oh no, oops, F6, sorry. Cancel that one. Right, C5. Not that it matters because F3. Doesn't look like going to match anything here today. I'm going to see it already. Right, C5, done. C6. So we need a C3, but we haven't got that. D3. E7. G6. D4 done, and A5 done. G6 done. So nothing on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 4, 8, 10. Yeah, let's double check though. Right, G2, G5, D2, E5, C4, A3, C5, C6, D3, E7, G6, F1, F2, A7, G7, F6, F3, B1, G3, D4, and A5. So, and that would have been, and the angle would have been 10, 20, 20, 100, 1,000. So we could have had one of them three layers, but we needed E4 for that one, and we definitely don't have E4. We've got E5, E7, and that's it. And then we needed F4, and we got F1, F2, F6, F3, everyone but. And then we needed G4, we got G2, G5, and let's see. Yeah, C4, G6, G3, yeah, and then that one was in E4, we've done that. And we needed C3. And we got C4, C5,